Welcome back, math wizards, third grade students of room 504. We are going to start on continue our concept development. And in order to do this part of the concept development, you're going to need your problem set.
Excuse me, Mr. Leggett. Why need problem set if still concept development?
Well, there's some pages in the problem set that we'll use for the concept development.
That makes no sense.
Well, it does make sense because normally if we were in class, I'd hand out the templates and they wouldn't be in the problem set. They'd be in their own little section that I'd pass out.
Oh, still makes no sense.
Well, I think after watching this lesson, you'll find that it makes sense.
I hope so.
Okay, so get out your problem set and you're going to turn to page. Your template is on page 55. So you could tear it out if you like, but it's probably a little easier to work on with it torn out. And this is indeed page 55. And what we're going to do is talk more about half past and a quarter past, okay? So let's go right to 2. We're going to do 2:15 or a quarter past 2. So our smaller hand, or our hand, would be right around there, a little bit past 2, because remember, the hand moves along. This hour hand moves as the minute hand sweeps around. And our large hand would be at the 3. And we call this 2:15 or a quarter past 2. Why a quarter past? Well, take a look at the clock. If we were to divide it in fourths, like so, we'd have 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. What's 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15? It's 60. So that's why we call this a quarter past 2. Now, let's take a look at our other time we're going to model, and that's 2:30. And let's put our 2 is going to go right around halfway between the 2 and the 3, because we're at 2:30, which is the halfway point, and our minute hand is going to go right down to the 6. And look, we can count by 5s again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we would know that this is 2:30. It's not 3 o'clock until this hand is directly on the 3, and that won't happen until the minute hand gets all the way around. So we're at 2:30. Now, this is the halfway point, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is halfway to 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 30 is half of 60. So we can say 2:30 are half past 2. So 2:30 are half past 2. Okay, now, with Princess Yvonne's blessing, we're going to move on to our problem set. And I'm going to try a new way to do the problem set.
Oh, you got my blessing. I see why you need the template to show quarter past and a half past.
Yeah, the template really helped out, I thought, to show that. Do you want to do a little review?
Yes, I do. 2:15. Look at 5, 10, 15. There's the 2. There's the to the 3. 2:15 or quarter past 2. This one, minute, the hand on 6, the bigger hand. So that's 30, which is half of 60. So this becomes 2:30 or half past 2.
Thank you so much, Princess Yvonne. Problem set. We're going to try something new way of recording the problem set, and hopefully it'll work. And I'll see you there right now. Take a stretch break and come right back to get the problem set done. You're going to need your problem set book.